Hello, princesses, and welcome back to Not Fit for Print Beauty with me, Rebecca. It's 2021. Is it safe yet? Is everything better? Okay, I'll wait. We have some kind of cool products to look at today by Artis. We are going to talk about the Artis Hyperblend Pro Finishing Pens right here in this little box. Now, have you heard of Artis before? If you have been around makeup and been interested in makeup for a long time like I have, then of course you have. Artis, yeah, they're not generally a makeup company. They are a makeup brush company. Artis were the first brand to do these kind of oval, round, flat brushes like this. This one is absolutely filled with my foundation from the other day, so don't look at that, but they are synthetic brushes and they come in all shapes and sizes, and they make little round ones for the eye. I think they might even make a lip brush. They make a hand kind of, they're synthetic makeup brushes. I actually really like this bigger one, the oval for foundation, for liquid foundation, and this little one for liquid concealer, because they're synthetic and they work really well with liquid products. So I actually like them a lot, and they were kind of the thing for a while. I don't know if they lost their patent or their trademark or their copyright or however you call it. Everyone started making copies. In fact, you might have seen these brushes in a copy form and not even realize that Artis did it first. And the Artis brushes were not cheap. They're very well made. And then their copies kind of were a little cheap. And I think it cheapened the brand, strangely, when they were copied. And you don't really hear about Artis as much anymore, I'm sorry to say. So I was quite surprised when I saw that they were doing a makeup item, or items, sold as a set. So again, let's take a look at them, because the minute I saw them advertised, I thought, well, that's different. And I do like the brand Artis. Those brushes have never let me down. Those are the two I own, and they've never let me down. So they're not hyping the heck out of this. I've seen on Instagram posts and whatnot, and people are interested, but they're only sold right now at Artis online. So you get these 4 pens, right? And each pen does something different. They're like makeup pens. We're gonna swatch them and stuff. The only issue that I have, I get wanting to explain your product. Trust me, I get it. But I went online thinking, well, you know, before I buy it, I want to do a little bit of research. Well, so here's one of the pages I printed out. Here's another page that I printed out. Here's another page that I printed out. Here's another page that I printed out. There were 2 or 3 more. This is all the stuff that came with the products to explain how to use them. Look, I love reading. I love investigating. I love researching. It's too much. It was a little bit off-putting. I'm like, good God, I didn't realize you needed a doctorate in Artis Hyperblend to use these little guys. I'm not putting them down because frankly, I haven't tried them yet. We're gonna try them together. It was a lot to take in, so I'm gonna summarize it for you. I will not read it to you. You're welcome. I will summarize it for you, but I will say, I get making sure that everyone understands the logic behind your product, but Artis, please. I mean, honestly, it became a second job. Okay. So the deal is, these pens they're labeled light, shadow, matte, and gloss. And basically, to be quite honest with you, I think you put the light where you highlight. I think you put the shadow where you would kind of contour, the matte in areas you'd want to mattify, and the gloss like on your lips and stuff. I don't really think it's rocket science. But maybe. Let's follow the directions. Like I said, I'm not going to read to you, but let's put it on together. So what I did today is I really don't have much on my face. I even used the Star Aura palette from Charlotte Tilbury, so there's not too much pigment on my eyes either. And let's just see. I got a mirror here, which I'm going to turn around to look into, and let's just do it. We will follow this without me boring the heck out of you and reading it. I mean, there's diagrams and stuff. Please. Please. Okay. So let's start with light. Okay, So light, this is the one that has the pink. I'm going to pull them out here. And this is the one that has the pink tip. First of all, let's look at it. Let's open it up. And it looks like it's got a pink tip on the pen, but it looks completely clear. And there it is, okay? So this is the light. So you can see it right there on my hand. All right, this is supposed to go on the bridge of the nose, and then I'm gonna have my artist brush here. They say you can use your hands or your artist brush to rub it in. So, bridge of the nose. Okay. Done. I know, huge difference. Inside corners of the eye area. Oh, it kind of like chunks everywhere. Okay, you got to blend. Okay, done. Middle of the upper lash line. Okay. Oh, it kind of gets like white stuff everywhere. Oh, it's nice and cool. The pen is nice and cool. It kind of feels like wet and cool. Apples of the cheeks. Oh, all right. That's with it, without it. Are we bored? Are we interested? What do you think, guys? Okay, that's just to match. Okay, ridge above the upper lip, blah, 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 blah. I don't know that we're going to do all of these, guys. I mean, center of the lips, across the chin. Okay. Center of the forehead. Okay, are we good? That was light. Are you seeing a remarkable difference? No, me neither. That's okay. We're going to keep going. Shadow. This is where it should get really interesting. I'm just hyping it up. I'm just hyping it up. All right, under the cheekbones. What cheekbones? Okay, well, at first, let's start by saying the shadow has this gray tip, and let's give it a swatchy swatch. Can you see that? Okay. Under the cheekbones. First, you got to find them. Oh, it's not very dark. Oh, it's like black. I know, I don't contour. You're gonna have to give me a break. Across the eyelid. Okay, yeah, you could use on the eyelid. In the eyelid crease, why not? In for a penny, in for a pound. I do have some eye makeup on, but I'll put this in the crease and see if we can. So this is if you're not wearing any other makeup. All right, that's kind of pretty. Okay, I can handle that. Across the lash line, across the temples, no. Under the lower jaw. Okay. Let me get this chiseled jaw going here. More than it's already chiseled. Wow, what a difference. Okay. Moving quickly. It's not about you guys getting bored. Guess who it's about getting bored? Me. All right, we have the matte and the gloss. I'm kind of more interested in the matte. Let's see where they tell you to put this. Matte, bridge and sides of nose, okay? Oh, we almost lost it. Oh, it's very, very creamy. Okay, so this is matte. Yeah, this is matte with the silver, with this here. Let's swatchy it. Is that very matte? No. Okay, bridge and sides of nose. There's a big piece of wax there. Okay, matte wax there. Oh, I'm trying to be really serious, you guys. Between the brows, outer edge of the lips. Oh, a chunk of wax. Cheek area, center of the forehead again. Guess it depends if you get greasy there. All right, that was the matte. Ugh. Gloss, okay. So now we have the gloss. That is the one that's got a silver cap and a silver rear. And it's clear. Can you guys see that? Clear. And it should be super glossy. Okay, this one goes again on the bridge of the nose, the tip top of the nose. Tip top of the nose? Don't they mean here? Ew, I look like an Instagrammer now. I kind of am an Instagrammer, I guess. Top of the cheekbones. Okay, fair enough. Just like a highlight. This feels a little bit like petroleum jelly on a stick. And smells a little like petroleum jelly. The others had no scent. This one definitely has kind of a petroleum jelly scent. Across the brows, I don't know what that means. The eyelid area. Okay, let's gloss up my lids. I have all that dark in there from the other. That's not bad. Along the upper or lowest, and then in the side corners of the eyes. So I kind of had thought, and I saw people putting this across their lips. I already have some gloss on. Let's do it a little more. Because this pen is kind of like I said, like a gel pen. Okay. Me at the beginning, me now. To give this a really fair shot, I should come on here with no makeup on and apply all of these to bare skin and do an entire eye look. My eyelids are feeling a little heavy from the Vaseline stuff on them though. So, yeah, comment below if you were thinking of picking these up. I think it's about $50 or so. I'll put the price up there. And Artis, you guys make really good brushes. Comment below. I would love to hear your comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you at least had some fun with me here. And the highest compliment that you can give me is to subscribe to my channel. We got lots of great content coming up in 2021, and hopefully some of it will actually be effective. And I will see you all in the next video. Good Lord.